In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find PayPal address. Finding your registered address on PayPal is a straightforward process, but it's an important one, especially if you need to confirm details for a transaction, update your personal information, or simply ensure your account records are accurate. Your physical address is a key piece of information PayPal uses for security, billing, and compliance, so knowing how to locate it can be very useful. Let's walk through the steps together to easily find your address within your PayPal account. First, once you've successfully logged into your PayPal account, you'll want to navigate to your settings. You can typically find the settings icon in the top right corner of your PayPal dashboard. It's usually represented by a small gear symbol. Think of this gear icon as your control center for managing all aspects of your account, from security preferences to personal details. Clicking on it will open up a menu that leads to various options for customizing and reviewing your PayPal profile. This is your initial gateway to accessing and modifying your account information. Once you're within the settings menu, you'll then need to click on the Account section. Depending on your PayPal interface, this might be labeled as Profile or simply Account. This is a dedicated section within your settings that houses all your personal information. Here, you'll find details like your name, linked email addresses, phone numbers, and crucially, your physical addresses. It's essentially your personal data hub within PayPal, where all the fundamental information associated with your account is stored and can be updated as needed.